this is a time to sort of kalimutan, panandalian ang ating mga responsibility, but we should not lose track kung ano tayo at kung ano ang responsibilidad natin pagbalik natin doon.
We can be the wild ones, heroes of the world. We can share the message of the lessons that we learned.
Every action na ginagawa natin will have an impact on ourselves, on our fellow men, the institution we work for, and the whole world. So yun, the small things you do matter when it counts.
Ano ba minsan, ikaw na lang ang paghuhugutan ng enerhiya ng iba? Kung magpapakalalim pa ako, God can use you anytime to refresh others.
"56 years of East Avenue plus your own experiences, that brings thousands of years of expertise."
It's all about service. It's all about sacrifice. Pero lahat yan, anak lang ng iisang makapangyarihang salita. Love.
For us to be close, dapat maging open. Maging open sa anong hindi mo kaya, anong kaya ko. Sa hindi ko kaya, please, kunan mo.
Dito, kung tayo, work lang, at talagang magmumurahan, talagang magpapataasan ng ihi o ng ego. Pero we respect, value, and appreciate each other. Tawag ko dyan, love.